Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're going to show you some tricks you can use on your Milltronics 9000 control solid model graphics. On your 9000 control, when you're running in the part in solid model graphics, you can rotate it using your F keys, or you can also just touch your part and rotate it to whatever side you want to look at. If you want to zoom in for greater detail, you can hold Z and drag your finger up or down, and that'll also let you zoom in. And you can hold the P key and slide your finger around, and that'll help you pan. So if you want to zoom in on a certain corner, you can pan to that corner, hold Z, zoom in. It's going to let you view your part in greater detail. And when you're done with that, if you want to get back to your auto mode, you can just zoom back out, pan it back so it's centered, and it's just a nice way to utilize your solid model graphics.